Hi, Norbert here, energy engineer, and today explaining what to do with the warm and the cold water which you have in your TES, in your thermal energy storage. More videos will come about the user side, but I want to divide them because I want really to keep the videos short. I hope you agree with it. Some of the functions are still not implemented, and we, and also you as viewer, are waiting for a plumber to connect the TES to the central heating system. But this fact contains also another message for you. The sorting of crafts personnel is international, so you as a do-it-yourselfer must become a little bit more emancipated and take things over. And that is also a good occasion to put your own creativity in it.
No, we should say our joint creativity.
Yes, you're right. I launched a Facebook community, for now in English and in Italian, where we can interact more easily and become a community. See the description for a link, and I hope you join us. And now, before diving in, I would like to ask you to hit the subscribe button and welcome the energy transition in your home. Now let's dive into the problem. You want to use the cold and warm water in some way. You have two kinds of water. One, circulating water, like in the radiators of the central heating, and thanks to this idea, also cooling. But that is special water. You can't use the normal tap water that is here in the tank. And then the second type, single-use water, like showers and dishwashers. This latter kind must be under pressure, but this pressure cannot be on the big tank, otherwise you will get a big explosion. So in both cases you need a heat exchanger, and you can get it via the link in the description, which I bought myself. It's a very common device. You will find it also in old boilers, so you can recycle it and pay zero. Now I personally will soon start two projects. To connect one side of a heat exchanger to both tanks, the warm and the cold tank, with a T-valve, so that I can choose between the hot and the cold water. And the other side of the heat exchanger goes to the central heating system. And that also needs T-valves, so that you can choose that you connect the central heating to the normal boiler or to our TES. And then I connect another heat exchanger to water using devices, like the washing machine or the preheating for the boiler, or also for the solar collector, which I have here which I showed here on the roof. So this second heat exchanger for consumption water, that goes only to the warm tank. And both heat exchangers will have a simple low pressure go and return duct with a submerged pump in the tank. And you can even take a 12-volt pump for that.
So what can I do after seeing this video?
Do you have a TES already? If yes, then start by connecting the heat exchanger to the tanks and connect the other side of the heat exchangers to whatever you like, according to the scheme. Try to invent and connect always users to both of the tanks, the warm and cold, so that you will be able to consume warm and cold water more or less at the same time. Well, that's not so trivial, so I will continue to make another video about how to use both warm and cold water to find the right type of users, and to do that in the summer but also in the winter. That's a complete different story, you understand. So now we are at the end of the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel to continue the series about the TES and also about hundreds of other ideas about energy at your home. Take also a look at my Facebook group, see the description, and keep control over the energy in your home. I wish you good energy.